Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix Safari freezing on iPhone. So first is to force close Safari. If Safari becomes unresponsive, force close the app. So swipe up from the bottom of the screen, then find the Safari preview, swipe it up to close the app. Then reopen Safari and check if it works normally. Next is to restart your iPhone. So press and hold the side button and either volume button, then drag the power slider to turn off your iPhone. Then wait about 30 seconds, then turn your iPhone back on and launch Safari again and see if it works. Next is to close and use Safari tabs. So open Safari, then tap the three dots in the bottom right corner, then select all tabs, then select close all tabs or manually close unnecessary tabs. So you can click the X button to close it, then click the check mark right here if you're done and see if it works. Next is to clear Safari history and website data. So go to settings and scroll down to apps. And in here, look for Safari and open it. Next, scroll down until you see clear history and website data. Select that, select the time frame, and select clear history. So this will remove browsing history, cookies, and cache website data. Then reopen Safari and see if it works. And that's it. Thank you for watching.